This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4081 is a Class A RV. It is located in Wixom, Michigan, 48393 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Newmar is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, rear bath. This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4081 is built on a Freightliner Tag Axle chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.